Hello everyone, this is Chef Suraj. Today I'm going to show you beer batter fish. This is very easy recipe everybody can do at home. So let's start. So it's all start with the egg liquid. First you will take the 3 egg liquid and all purpose flour. I'm taking the regular flour, you can use the self-rising flour. Now I'm adding the ice cubes plus baking powder. It will help to rise our flour and make it more easier and fluffier the flour. So now we are adding the carbonated water. If you have beer, you can use the beer, as of course. In home you are making for the kids, so you don't want to get them high, right? So we are making the flour better, not too much thick. Then we will cut the fish in the finger and marinate it with salt and pepper. You can use the chili powder or any other spices you like, but I'm keeping as a simple. So after marinating in the flour batter, you don't need to put too much flour. Last but not least, if you want it make more crispier, you can add the rice flour to make it even more crispier, or any gluten-free flour you like, potato starch or anything, you can use it. So putting them one by one in the oil, it will help to separate from the sticking together. So as you see, I'm using the not too much flour, so our fish will be taste like a fish, not with like a flour batter, right? So we are going to fry about 3 minutes each time. So I'm going to fry in a 2 batch. So second time when you fry it again for the 3 minutes. It will make it more crispier and the more fluffy your batter. So the fish you are going to have it will be without less oil absorbent and it will be more light and crispy. So let's start for the plating. Our fish is ready, guys. You will see inside the fish there is less oil and it will be more crispier, guys. So let's start for the plating, guys. Look at this beautiful thing. By the time I'm doing that one, it's already been 10 minutes, but it's still crispy. So you can serve the fish with your homemade French fries, or the people call it chips. This is very traditionally goes with the fish and chips and also served with the mild vinegar dressing. But here I am using the another recipe for the side dipping. This is ranch dressing. You can watch in my channel this recipe. Here you can see the real taste and it's really yummy, guys. Just try to make this recipe in the weekend and share with me in the comment. If you find this recipe useful, just like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Chef Suraj signing off.